In this video, I'm going to show you how to set alerts in IBKR Desktop. So the first thing you want to do here, you want to go to your watch list, and the easiest way to do this is by just right-clicking on whatever symbol you want to create an alert for. So for example, if I right-click here on Amazon and click on Set Alert, as you can see, it's going to pop up these market alerts. And mind you, you can also set it for anything else, so it doesn't have to be Amazon. I just had it over here. For example, I could go ahead and search for NVIDIA over here, and that's also very possible. So of course, whatever you want to do here, you're perfectly fine to do that. So I'm going to do Amazon right now. There we go. And then over here, you can go ahead and whenever you've selected this, you can just basically select when. So here, it's going to allow you to select whenever you want to do it, like last, double bid, or ask, whatever. So you can select whatever you want, is, and then you can do greater or basically lower. And then here you can then go and select, of course, the price. And then you have to select how many times you want to notify. So once, until date, or until deleted. And then basically just click on the save button over here, and that's pretty much all you have to do to save your alert. Okay, down here you can also see the set alerts and then the triggered ones as well. So if I go ahead and, for example, just do over here something random, and I just put in a random price, so let's just do 100 once, save. There we go. I now have a set alert. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.